Hello everyone, today we're introducing the YSH DPSM 2500A automatic paint spraying machine. This versatile machine is designed to spray color stain, sealer, primer, and top coat, perfectly suitable for wood floors, kitchen cabinet doors, and body panels, as well as other flat or light modeled panel workpieces. It's all in one, saving you time and hassle in the painting process. What makes it stand out? First, it realizes full automation, automatic spraying, automatic flapping, and automatic fading. It can work consistently across different work shafts, greatly boosting your working efficiency. One machine equals the work speed of 5 painters and 8 loaders combined. Reduce labor costs and labor intensity. Second, it ensures stable and uniform painting quality. No more uneven painting or weights. Every workpiece gets a smooth, consistent finish. Third, it's ideal for small and medium outputs. If you are a small to medium-sized business looking for flexibility, productivity, and cost-effectiveness, this machine is your perfect choice. It balances performance and practically helps you upgrade your production line without heavy investment. Automatic, efficient, high quality, and cost-effective. Any interest about this machine, welcome to contact us freely.